The power of daily habits. Host, good morning, everyone. Welcome to today's broadcast, where we discuss something that shapes our lives more than we realize, our daily habits. Have you ever thought about how small actions, repeated every day, can lead to big results? Whether it's waking up early, reading for 10 minutes, or exercising, these little habits define our success. Many successful people swear by their routines. Take, for example, Elon Musk. He divides his day into 5-minute blocks to maximize productivity. Or consider Warren Buffett, who spends 80% of his time reading. These habits didn't form overnight, they were built over time. But here's the good news. You don't need to change everything at once. Start small. Want to improve your English? Read 1 page a day. Want to get fit? Do 5 push-ups daily. It's the consistency that matters. So, what habit will you start today? Think about it. And remember, small steps lead to big success. That's all for today's broadcast. Stay motivated, stay consistent, and keep growing. See you next time. The impact of positive thinking. Host. Hello and welcome to today's broadcast. Today, we're talking about something that can change your life, positive thinking. We all face challenges. Maybe it's work stress, financial struggles, or personal setbacks. But how we respond to these challenges makes all the difference. A positive mindset doesn't mean ignoring problems. It means facing them with confidence and hope. Science proves that positive thinkers are healthier, more successful, and even live longer. Why? Because they focus on solutions instead of problems. They believe in possibilities instead of limitations. Think about great leaders like Nelson Mandela. He spent 27 years in prison but never lost hope. He believed in a better future. And that belief led him to change history. So, how can you develop a positive mindset? 1. Start your day with gratitude. Think of 3 things you're thankful for. 2. Surround yourself with positive people. Energy is contagious. 3. Turn failures into lessons. Every mistake is a step toward success. Remember, your thoughts shape your reality. Stay positive. Keep believing, and watch how life changes for the better. That's it for today. Stay inspired, stay positive. The secret to success, mindset and hard work. Host, good morning, listeners. Welcome to today's broadcast, where we uncover the real secret to success. Whether you're a student, an entrepreneur, or someone striving to improve your life, this message is for you. Think about the most successful people in the world. Elon Musk, Oprah Winfrey, or even your favorite athlete. What sets them apart? Is it luck? Talent? Wealth? No. The answer is mindset and hard work. The power of mindset. Your mindset determines how you approach life. People with a growth mindset believe they can improve through effort, while those with a fixed mindset think talent is everything. Let me tell you a story. Michael Jordan, one of the greatest basketball players in history, was once cut from his high school basketball team. Instead of giving up, he practiced for hours every day. He turned his failure into fuel, proving that determination beats talent when talent doesn't work hard. Hard work and consistency. Success isn't built in a day. It's the result of small, daily efforts. Consider this. J.K. Rowling's first Harry Potter book was rejected 12 times before a publisher finally gave her a chance. Thomas Edison failed 1,000 times before inventing the light bulb. Cristiano Ronaldo trains for hours every single day, even after becoming a legend. What's the lesson here? Success is about perseverance. If you keep going, you will succeed. Practical steps to achieve success now. How can you apply this to your life? Here are 3 key steps. 1. Set clear goals. Know what you want. Write it down. Whether it's learning English, starting a business, or becoming fit, clarity is the first step. 2. Develop daily habits. Success isn't about big actions. It's about small habits repeated over time. Read for 10 minutes daily. Exercise, or practice your skills. 3. Stay motivated and never give up. When things get tough, remind yourself why you started. Failure is part of the journey, not the end of it. Final word: success is not magic. It's a combination of mindset, hard work, and persistence. The road may be tough, but the reward is worth it. So, ask yourself, are you willing to work for your dreams? If yes, start today. Take action, stay committed, and never give up. That's it for today's broadcast. Stay inspired, stay strong. And remember, your success is in your hands. The power of self-discipline. Host, hello and welcome to today's broadcast. Today, we're going to talk about something that separates the dreamers from the achievers: self-discipline. Think about the most successful people in the world. They aren't just talented, they are disciplined. They wake up early, stay focused, and work hard even when they don't feel like it. What is self-discipline? Self-discipline is the ability to control your emotions, behaviors, and actions in pursuit of a goal. It means doing what needs to be done, even when you don't feel like it. Let me ask you, how many times have you set a goal and given up after a few days? Maybe you wanted to wake up early, exercise, or learn a new skill. The truth is, motivation fades. But discipline keeps you going. The importance of self-discipline. 1. It builds good habits. If you practice self-discipline, you develop strong habits that lead to success. 2. It helps you stay focused. In today's world, distractions are everywhere. Self-discipline helps you avoid time-wasting activities and focus on what really matters. 3. It increases productivity. Successful people get more done because they don't waste time on excuses. How to develop self-discipline. Now, let's talk about how you can build self-discipline in your life. 1. Start small. Don't try to change everything overnight. Start with one small habit, like reading 10 pages a day or avoiding social media for an hour. 2. Remove temptations. If you want to study more, put your phone away. If you want to eat healthy, don't keep junk food at home. 3. Follow a routine. A daily routine helps you stay on track. Plan your day in advance and stick to it. 4. Hold yourself accountable. Track your progress. If you fail one day, don't give up. Just start again the next day. 5. Stay consistent. Discipline is like a muscle. The more you practice it, the stronger it gets. Final thoughts. Self-discipline is the key to long-term success. Talent and motivation will only take you so far, but discipline will keep you going even when things get tough. So, what's one habit you're going to improve today? Remember, success is not about what you do once in a while. It's about what you do every single day. That's it for today's broadcast. Stay focused, stay disciplined, and keep pushing forward. See you next time.